Good morning, children. So today we are going to start with the application of integration. We have already derived the equations of motion with the help of calculus, right? So this is our fourth equation, that is S nth equal to u plus half n minus 1 a, where S nth is the distance traveled by the object in the last second, in the last 1 second, right beta? And u is the initial velocity of the object. Here n shows you the time. N is time, right? And a is the acceleration, right? So we are going to derive this equation with the help of calculus. So look here, children. Here we are having, this is an object. The object is at position A. A is the position of the object, right, children? Now, the time t equals to 0, the object, this is initial things, right? So t equals to 0, the displacement is 0, the object has yet not started, right? And it has not, we have not started taking the calculation, right? So the velocity is u. So this is the initial velocity of the object, right? Now, after some time has passed, right? Now the object comes to a position B. So B is the position of the object and the time t is n minus 1. Means the total time is n. So this is just 1 second before the time is over, or before the last, this is the last second, right? This is the last second, the position of the object. So t n minus 1, suppose the total time for an object is 20 seconds. So this is your 19th second position. This is the 19th second position of the object. Right, children? So, and the displacement S is Sn minus 1, because this is 1 second before the journey is going to be over, right, children? And the velocity is V n minus 1. So this is the B is the position, B is the situation for n minus 1 second, right? If the total time is given to you is 20 seconds, so this is the case for 19th second, right? Now let's see for the final time, that is n. So the position of the object is at C, right? And the time is n. So n is the total time that is given to you. Sn. S, the displacement is Sn. So this is the displacement of the object in the nth second, in 20th second. 20th second में कितना displacement हुआ, right? And the velocity is Vn, right? Now this over here, the Sn is this thing, that is the difference between Sn minus 1 and Sn. So Sn minus Sn1 will give you the Sn, that is the displacement in the nth second. Suppose the time we are assuming is 20 seconds, right? So suppose the displacement in 20 seconds is, let us assume it to be 50 meter, right? And in the 19th second, we assume, this is just for example, the displacement is 45 meter. So हम क्या find कर रहे हैं? We are finding that in the last 1 second, यहाँ पे 19 second है, यहाँ पे 20th second है. So इस 1 second में how much distance? What is the displacement? So how you will find out? 50 minus 45. So this is given by this formula, that is Sn equal to u plus half n minus 1 a. Right? So this thing we are finding out. So let's start with it. And let's see the derivation. We have already seen the derivation of 3 equations. This is our 4th equation, and we will start with, we know velocity equals to change in displacement upon change in time, is how much time was taken, right? And the word change, we are replacing it by d. D means small change, right? So v equals to ds by dt. I don't think so you have any doubt in this, because in the previous equations also we have used this, right? Now what we will do is, here we will substitute the value of v. We know the first equation of motion, that is v equals to u plus at, right? So that we are going to replace, instead of v, we will put u plus at equals to ds by dt. Just see this, is this part clear to you children? Fine. Now what we will do, this dt will come this side, and here we are going to have is u plus at into dt equals to your ds. So this is equation number 1. This is your equation number 1. Right children, now what we are going to do, we are going to integrate this equation, right? So integration, we are going to have lower limit and upper limit, right? Lower limit is your initial values and upper limit is your final values. So if we integrate this equation, we will get integration u plus at dt. तो यहाँ पे इसके with respect to time change क्या हो रहा है, time. Here you are going to carry out the integration of time, right? So यहाँ पे जो limit आएगी, the upper limit and the lower limit. Lower limit is initial value. Initial value of time is 0, and final value of time is 0, and final value of time is t. Right? Okay. Now, here the case we are considering the last second and just before the last second. So our initial thing, instead of 0, we will not start from the initial things, right? This is just the explanation I told you. Here the time which we are starting with is 19th second, right? A second before the journey ends. So here we will write n minus 1, because we are going to find the displacement in the last second, right? So here our lower limit will be n minus 1. That is just a second before the journey is going to end. And the final we know, the final time is n. Is this clear? We are going to carry out the differentiation with this, or integration with respect to time, because b के पीछे कौन सा टर्म है, t. तो यहाँ पे जो lower limit, upper limit you will be having, that is your values of time, right? The initial and the final. But we are considering the case that is the last second and just a second before the last second. So initial value will be n minus 1 and the final value will be n, right? Now, here also integration. ds का integration होगा, right बेटा? अब ds की value, final value, if we talk about the final value, we know the final value is Sn. Final value Sn है, और final से just 1 second before we know the displacement is Sn minus 1. This we know. Just look at the board. Is this much clear to you? Right? Now what we are going to do is, we are going to apply the integration inside. So our next step will be integration n minus 1 n u dt plus integration n minus 1 n a t dt, which is equals to integration Sn minus 1 Sn. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, it means it is 1. Right? Now here a is constant, right? We are going to do the integration of time t, right? So here again u is constant. यहाँ पे भी time का करना है, तो time तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे, right? So it will be 1. Now we know that integration of 1 gives you the same quantity, right children? So here we will be taking u outside, and inside the integration you you are going to have 1 dt. Here also a is outside, and inside the integration you are having d dt. Similarly, here it is Sn minus 1, Sn 1, integration of 1 with respect to ds. Right? Now, the integration of 1 with respect to dt is the same term, that is t. We have done the formula, so it should be knowing now, that is u. So, integration is t. 1 का integration with respect to dt is t. Right? यहाँ पे स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट डालेंगे आप और यहाँ पे लिखेंगे लोअर लिमिट n minus 1, upper limit n. Right? Now, we will be substituting these values. We have done this in the previous three equations. Here, we are having t to the power 1. So the formula of integration is, I write over here, formula of integration for t to the power 1. That is an integration. The power will be increased by 1, and in the denominator you are going to have the same increased power. So t to the power 1 plus 1, power में आप 1 add करेंगे, and in the denominator also the same power will be in the denominator, that is 1 plus 1. So the answer for this is t square by 2. So here you are going to have t square by 2 limit हमें डालनी है, right? And here integration of 1 with respect to ds is s, and yes, again the values, the lower limit Sn minus 1 and the upper limit Sn. I hope this much is clear. Now what we are going to do, as we did previously, we are going to substitute the upper limit क्या है n, minus we are going to substitute the lower limit, right children? So this is the last part. Of 1 will give t. Integration of t raised to the power 1 will give you t square by 2. And last, the integration of 1 with respect to ds will give you s. Now we are going to substitute the upper limit minus the lower limit. Right? So I love this part. And here we are going to get, see, u right, u, instead of t we will put the upper limit is n. So n minus, we are going to substitute the lower limit is n minus 1. So here you are going to have n minus, right, plus a. This 2 can come out because 2 is constant, right? 2 में कुछ भी substitute नहीं होगा. Whatever will be substituted, that will be substituted in t. So instead of t, we are going to put the upper limit. Upper limit is n. So instead of t, when you put n here, it will become n square minus lower limit. Lower limit is n minus 1. So instead of t, we will put n minus 1 square close, right, equal to s. Instead of s, we will put the upper limit, that is Sn minus the lower limit. The lower limit is Sn minus 1. So Sn minus 1. Right, children? Now, this term, that is Sn minus 1, this gives you the displacement in the last second. The displacement in the last second. As well, for example, we took that in the last, total 20th second, in total 20 seconds the distance was 50 meter. And till the last second, 19th second तक total जो displacement था, that was 45 meter. तो last वाले second में, last वाला एक जो second था, in that how much distance is covered? 50 minus 45. So the same thing has happened over here. That is open the bracket, minus n plus 1 plus a by 2, and here also when you open the bracket and you apply the square formula, it becomes minus n square plus 2n minus 1.
Ma'am,
S of n minus 1 will give you S of nth term.
ma'am,
Just a second. Yes, beta.
ma'am, it is not visible.
It is